Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your App Store country or region on iPhone. Now for us to proceed with this one, let's go over and click the settings right here, and we're going to go ahead and basically open our iCloud or Apple iCloud account, and then from here we're going to scroll down and look where it says media and purchases. Click view account right here, and then from here you have country/region. Go ahead and open that one. Once you've opened that, I want you to go ahead and choose the designated country that you want to choose. Say for example, in this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose United States and click continue right here. Now that we're done with that, I want you to go ahead, just try to check the terms and agreement right here, and then click agree if you agree. And then from here, you are going to add your payment method or credit card, debit card, depending, and then number, expiration, and then CVV. Another is the billing address and so many other details that are very much needed here. Once you're done with that, I want you to go ahead and click done right here. And basically from this point forward, it's going to be all about filling out the important information that is required by Apple for you. And yeah, once you're done with that, you should be able to change your App Store country or region on your new iPhone device.